guys, welcome back. It's Maddie. Good morning. Well, at least for me it's morning. And I'm getting ready for work and I thought I would take you guys along with me and we can do not necessarily a full face, but kind of some first impressions, check out some new makeup that I've collected over the holidays. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we have today is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. I got this in shade Tastic, and I really hope that's the right shade for me. I have no idea. With bronzers, I feel like that's really hard. But, okay, so this I'm really excited about. So it slides out like this, and then it has this little button, and then you pop it open, and then you just open it. It's so bright. It's so huge. Like, it's like really big. I'm super pumped about that. But, hold on, my dog wants to come inside. Okay, so what was I saying? Yes, we're going to be using this bronzer. So the reason I actually got it was from watching Manny Anyway. I don't know how much to go in with. I don't know, let's see. And he talked about it and he loved it, so I'm hoping that I will love it. It doesn't seem to have much coming up, but oh, okay. Sorry to see it. You guys will probably too. I've already seen it. I'm probably putting on too much. Who knows? But this is a nice color. I thought it was going to be slightly too dark looking in the pan, which I was like, okay, maybe it'll just be a better summer color, but it's actually just a nice kind of subtle color. This isn't my favorite bronzing brush though, because that one currently has my butter bronzer on it and I didn't want to clean my brushes, to be honest with you guys. Let's see. I think that just kind of gives, oh, it smells good. It smells kind of like sunscreen. Interesting. Oh, I got a big chunk of it on my nose. Let's see if that'll blend out. Okay, a little bit better, but I think that just looks very like effortless, you know, very just added in. I think I could even go a shade darker, but watching this footage back, I'll probably be like, no girl, you're good. But I think that's nice. It's just a healthy glow and I don't want to get into that trap of bronzing too much. That's a dangerous road to fall down. And so next, I don't have a new blush, so I'm just going to use the Kylie Cosmetics blush in Hopeless Romantic. And I haven't used this one in a while actually, because I've been really loving the what is it called? The Honest blush? Is that what it is? The color's Hibiscus. Editing Maddie will help me out in post, but that's gonna bother me. But this one, it's just more red blush, which I like. It's winter. I need color. I don't have much. And now for the highlight portion. So what actually, since I'm not really doing real eyeshadow, I'm going to go back into the bronzer. I'm going to put it in my crease to just give me a backdrop for what I'm working with. It's a much cooler tone bronzer than I think I've really used before, and I think I like that. It's weird. I just normally gravitate, I think, towards warmer bronzers because I'm like warm toned skin, you know, and like I normally look good in oranges and like warm colors and earth tones and stuff like that. So just kind of out of the box for me. But I think this is technically more like of a sculpting color than for me. Like I should use this to contour specifically, but I don't really contour. I bronzer. So for highlight, we're using this. I just saw at Sephora and had to get. It is a Becca. It's like a glow kit. It's so fun. It has a bunch of different, ouch. See if I can actually open it. It has a bunch of different highlighters for eye and cheek. I'm gonna butcher this guy. There we go. So you slide her on out again, and I was really excited. This is like such a lame thing to be excited about, but this part that you saw through, it's not the packaging, it's like part of the actual product. And this is what she looks like. Beautiful. So the large size is their pressed champagne pop, and then there's like some new ones, and I like that it's an eye and cheek because obviously like these two can't be a highlighter on me. I'm just not that color, but it will be a highlighter for somebody, and I can use them on my eyes, which I'm going to do today. So then let's take the Becca highlighter. And now on my eyes, I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm going to take this top bronzy tone and put that on this half of the eye, and then the lighter bronzy tone on the inner half. Okay, so that's a lot more subtle of an eye look than I normally go for, but I think that might be nice. Oh my gosh, the mornings and my voice don't mix. That might be nice for work. So now this is also, it's not new, but it's new to me. Sorry, I had a hair. It's the Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. I haven't got to use this yet. I really don't do my eyeliner on camera, so I'm going to try and just do like a better version. It's a normal like felt tip liner. That's what I normally gravitate to. So we'll see if this destroys everything. But I'm going to try and do it for you guys and not block it. So we'll see if that works. Okay, first impressions, that went on really well. I kind of made them a little uneven, but that's on me, not the eyeliner. It went on really smooth. It didn't skip. It's a nice like color. The matte black, it just is really nice. We'll see how it works to see if it like transfers up on me at all. But wow, I'm impressed so far. Next new thing, last new thing, is the YSL The Shock Mascara. I am super excited about this. I got this because of Rach Loves, and she has been raving about this literally all of 2019. So I was like, yes, I need it in my life. So let's go ahead and put that on. And again, same thing. I normally don't do this on camera, so we're going to try and make it work. That is what, let's see if I can do this way. This is what the brush looks like. Just slightly intimidating, you know, nothing crazy. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I also went ahead and popped on the Kylie liquid lip in Low Key, and I did my bottom lash line in the L'Oreal Lash Paradise just because I didn't want to try and fit that brush on my lower lash line. I'm not that good at makeup, I'm sorry. I don't think it was the right formula. So the one thing I will say, normally when I'm dusting out mascara, I don't like to wear liner because normally you can't see my lashes, and I don't really wear falsies to work, so sorry. But I will say that I can actually see my lashes over my liner, which is new for me, so I definitely think it's elongating them. It's for, I never even told you, I'm sorry. It's for, what is it for? It's for volume and I think lengthening too. Gosh, this is all in French. Volume effects. Shocking volume and intensity, truly master. Well, I feel like it made mine longer. But I know Rachel said that in her experience, it's definitely wetter the first time you use it. And then after that, it is a little bit drier of a formula, which apparently she likes. I really like how it is now, but you'll probably see me use it in future videos and I will update you. But for now, this is where I'm going to leave you, and I'll check in when I get off work. So it'll be about 12 hours until you see me. See that? Hey guys, welcome back. It's been about 12 and a half hours, so this is kind of what we're looking at. Pardon the very, very greasy face. But so that's what the eyes are looking like now. And I've got to say, the unexpected winner of today is the eyeliner. The Araceli Ojos Perfectos eyeliner. Wow. No transferring up here. Like, and it's still like matte and sharp. Let me see. The mascara really looks good. It didn't transfer up here. Slightly here it's smudged. I don't know if that was more me when I was putting it on. That's possible, but they kept well. My eyelashes never hold a curl, so I'm not really concerned about that. The highlighter palette was nice. It's like all pretty much highlighters, but I like the color, so I'll continue to use it. I am so greasy. I'm sorry. 12 hours of work, and I did not touch up my powder or anything, as you can tell. But, oh, and the bronzer. I loved the bronzer. Like, I noticed when I was at work throughout the day, like, it just melted. Melted? Is melted a word? So well into my skin. I loved it. But yeah, I thought this overall was a total win. So I am thrilled. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, I post new ones every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon. I would love to have you come back. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, and if you want to, ring that bell so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And my arm's getting tired. Wow, I'm not used to a camera. But yes, I will see you guys on the next one, okay? Bye!